let's kick your animation skills into the next gear by learning more advanced compositing and visual effects skills. Hey guys, I'm Indie Animator Tori Artworks. In my second class, I'll be teaching you more advanced techniques to turn 2D scenes into cinematic 2.5D animations. Learn how to add lights, glow, mist, and volumetric effects to instantly elevate your 2D animation while reigniting your creative passion. Let's fully unleash the power of Blender by creating dynamic particles, eye-catching visual effects, and detailed background work to boost your animation's quality. A hybrid pipeline sounds scarier than it is. We'll be combining the best elements of 2D and 3D to turn your imagination into a seamless, moving masterpiece. Let's try and push your technical skills further to create work that will have your viewers saying, wow. I'm Tori Artworks, an indie animator, and I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.